Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to install and configure the smart garage control device. To open or close your garage door through your mobile phone using an app. It's an app with a blue colored icon. If you're using iPhone, you can go to Apple Store. If you're using Android, you can go to Google Play. And that app will allow you to close from anywhere or open the door for anyone remotely, as long as your hub is connected to your Wi-Fi. So let's get into the box and see what's inside. So it comes with a Chamberlain Wi-Fi hub that connects to your Wi-Fi, and later on it will be paired to the sensor and your garage door controller. This is the back plate that will be mounted on the wall. It comes with some screws and sleeves. Let's see further what's inside. There you have a sensor. So the sensor will be mounted on the top side of your garage door, either to the right or the left, whichever is convenient. And this will be paired to your hub. And this adapter will be used to power your hub. And once it's powered up, you will follow through the steps to configure it with the sensor, with your Wi-Fi, and with your app, and with the garage door controller. That's about it. So it's not a lot of things inside. It should be pretty easy to configure. So in the next part of the video, I will explain how to install and configure it. So that part will be done in the garage. Okay, so this is the adapter that comes within the box. I'll just plug this in here, the lead end, and the switch end goes into the socket, and the hub should start blinking blue. That means it has not been configured yet. In the app, click on Add a New Device. Scroll down, click on Smart Garage Hub. Click on Smart Garage Control. Check all the boxes to confirm you have all the tools and devices to configure and install your device. Click on I'm ready and then click Next. Wait for the device to connect. Once connected, go to the back of the device to confirm the catalog number, and once the catalog number is confirmed, then click on MyQ C64. Wait for the pair pop-up to show up. Click on pair, and then select the Wi-Fi connection to connect your hub to your Wi-Fi, and then wait for it to connect. It might take a few seconds to few minutes depending upon your Wi-Fi connection, and once the connection is established, it will show solid green. It will also show solid green on the actual device, and after that hit Next. Now that the hub is connected to your Wi-Fi, it's time to set up the sensor. The sensor tells you if the garage is open or closed, and before you go ahead and start setting up your sensor, there is a strip that's placed between the battery and the circuit of the sensor. So you need to pull out the strip from the door sensor before you start setting it up, because with the strip and the sensor will have no power. So it is important to take that out. After that, you click on the button on the sensor. It will blink red, and the red LED will be lit. Then in the next step, you will pair your Smart Garage Control Hub to your sensor, and to begin, you will click on the button again. It will flash in the middle of the Smart Garage Control Hub, and then you press the button again to complete the pairing. and once the pairing is complete, it should show um, the screen like this. The doors that says door sensor is now paired to your smart garage hub. And if you haven't already, bring the both sensor and the hub out to the garage, out to the garage now, making sure that they are paired. And then now is the time to mount your sensor on your garage door, either to the top right or to the top left, whichever is convenient based on the assembly of your garage door. So I have decided to install the sensor on the top right corner of my garage door. Sorry for the garbage bins. So I will first of all wipe it off with a wet wipe. You can also use like any other wiping cloth or whatever is convenient for you. So I would just do that and mount the sensor over here where I just wiped the area. Okay, so you can just confirm it by shaking it to see it doesn't come off. So it sounds like it's very firmly mounted. The garage drive motor is Chamberlain power drive, and if you look at the back of the controller, you can see the purple button. We will use that button to pair this drive motor to our smart controller hub. Okay, so in this next step we will try to pair your garage door motor to your controller hub. Make sure you work safely because garage door will move in the process. In order to work safely, use a step ladder to reach your motor controller. And once you've got everything you need, you step on the ladder and you reach to the back of your drive motor. Once you know the brand of your garage door motor, you select that. Mine is Chamberlain, so I'll click on that, and after that it will ask you to press the learn button. It can either be yellow, green, purple or orange. Mine one is purple, so I will click on the purple button later in the process. So once you do that, once you have identified the color of the button and located the button, you press and release the button. The yellow LED will light up, and as you can see in the video on the side, it has, after pressing the button, it has lightened up and it has started pairing your drive motor to the garage hub. As it goes through the process of pairing, it will open the door automatically. As you can see, the door is opening automatically, and once the door is opened, you will receive a notification in the app, and you will also see in the app that the pairing has completed with the check mark. Okay, so in this step we will go through installing our MyQ hub in the garage to the sidewall. You will need the tools as shown in the picture to install the mounting bracket. I've got the plate which I will mount on the wall. So on the plate you can see the small arrow. This should go like this, should be pointing upwards when you install it. And this side facing you, this side facing the wall. And now let's install it. You could use a compactor or a drill. Right now mine is not available, readily available, I should say. So I have to use the screwdriver, which is fine. It just takes a bit more time. But it's not the end of the world. So it's pretty stable now. I can tell Yeah, it's pretty stable. So now it's time to mount your hub onto the mounting plate. These go in there. Mount the back of the hub onto the mounting bracket. Slightly rotate. Make sure it's stable. And that's about it. This is the completion of installation of the controller hub. Finally, it's time to do some testing. Press and hold on the door icon to close the door, but before closing the door, the hub will start blinking and beeping. This is to notify the users that the door is in the process of being closed. This is an extra safety feature that this device comes with to notify the users to be safe when the door is operating. The door has a sensor which will stop the door from being closed if you are underneath, but you should always listen to the beeping sound and step away from the door when it's in the process of being closed so that you are not harmed. Now to open the door again from the app, press and hold on the door icon. It will start opening the door right away. This time it wouldn't notify you because to open the door there is no safety required because you will always be away from the door, either outside or inside. You will also receive a notification in the app that the door is opened with the timestamp. There is another cool feature of the app where you can know the history of your door operations. If you go into the bottom tab on your app, you can load the history. By scrolling down, you can go through all the timestamps when your door was opened or closed. You can also know if your door was opened through an app by a user. It will tell you the name of the user if that user is registered in the app, and it will also tell you if the door was opened using a remote controller or a button inside your garage door, but that won't tell you the name of the user. Hey everyone, thank you for watching the video. Please hit like button and subscribe. Please don't forget to leave your comments below. I will get an idea from the comments on the future video topics.